In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the coverage for your schedule. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have a location selected, then click on Schedules. Once you arrive at your list of schedules, choose the schedule you would like to view the coverage for. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Shifts. You should arrive at your list of shifts. Once you do, go to the top of your chart and click on Coverage. You should now be able to see the coverage of your template at a glance. You can see when you have people working in green and when you don't have people working in the white-gray color. Right now, the schedule is arranged by date, so you can see the first Monday, all of those shifts are grouped together, and then the Tuesday following, and so on. If I wanted to, I could arrange this differently. Let's say I want to see my schedule grouped by station. I can click on Station and drag it to the top, and now TeamWork 5 has rearranged itself first by station, then by date. So I'm seeing all of the information for this week's bartenders first, then the beverage supervisor, and so on. I can also choose to view my schedule in 30-minute blocks instead of these hour blocks. If I go up to the top and click on the arrow next to 60, I can choose 30 from the drop-down menu. Now I'm seeing my coverage in 30-minute sections. I can also choose to add in my breaks. Right now, my breaks are not being factored into my coverage. So if I go up and click on the arrow next to Remove, then I can choose Include from this drop-down menu. Now my breaks are included in my coverage. Notice that a couple of these green boxes have gone from 2 to 1.5, letting me know that someone is on a break at that time. I can also choose to view the next week in this schedule. Right now I'm just looking at the first week. To do that, I can go up to the arrow beside the date, click on it, and choose the next week in this schedule. I could have also used the forward or backward arrow to do that. I can choose to compare the coverage for this schedule with a template or a plan for my location. To do that, I can click this arrow next to Versus and choose a plan or a template from the drop-down menu. I'm going to select Monday Night Football. Now you can see most of my coverage has remained green, but the top line of the first bartender is red with a -1 next to it. That's letting me know that I'm short one person for my Monday Night Football plan, and I might need to go back and add someone else to the schedule for that evening. And that's how you can view the coverage for your schedule. Check out the next video to learn how to import and export your schedules, shifts,